Welcome back to Beautyistic, your ultimate destination for all things beauty, skincare, and beyond. Today, we're diving into a product that's taken the skincare world by storm, the LANEIGE Cream Skin Refillable Toner and Moisturizer. If you're curious about whether this 2-in-1 gem deserves a spot in your skincare routine, stay tuned because I've got all the details you need. Let's start with an overview. The LANEIGE Cream Skin Toner and Moisturizer combines the light, refreshing feel of a toner with the deep hydration of a moisturizer. It's formulated with ceramides and peptides to nourish and visibly firm the skin while strengthening your moisture barrier. With 1.51 ounces of product in a refillable container, it's designed to hydrate, boost the skin barrier, and improve elasticity, all in one step. This Korean skincare innovation promises a milky, amino acid-infused formula that's perfect for anyone looking to simplify their routine without compromising on results. Now, let me share my experience. Using this product felt like a burst of hydration for my skin. The application was incredibly easy. I just poured a small amount onto my palms and pressed it into my face after cleansing. It absorbed quickly, leaving no sticky residue, and my skin immediately felt softer and plumper. The lightweight formula is perfect for layering, whether you're following up with serums or makeup. In terms of performance, the LANEIGE Cream Skin truly delivers on its promises. Over a week of use, I noticed my skin felt more balanced, especially during colder days when dryness tends to creep in. Its ability to provide long-lasting hydration without clogging pores is a game changer. The peptides work subtly to improve firmness, and though the effects are not instant, the improvement in my skin's texture after consistent use was evident. Now let's talk pros and cons. Pros: combines two steps into one, saving time and effort. Refillable packaging is eco-friendly, deeply hydrating with a non-greasy finish, packed with skin-loving ingredients like ceramides and amino acids. Cons: the 1.51 ounce size might feel small for daily users, slightly higher price point compared to similar toners. Compared to other products like the CosRx Hydrium Toner or Klairs Supple Preparation Toner, the LANEIGE Cream Skin stands out for its dual functionality. While other toners may focus solely on hydration, this one adds the benefit of skin barrier support and visible firming, making it a more versatile option for minimalist routines. Is it worth the price? Absolutely. While it's not the cheapest toner on the market, the quality of ingredients and the dual-purpose design make it a valuable investment. The refillable packaging also adds an element of sustainability, which is a big plus. The build quality of the product is impressive. The container feels sturdy and is easy to handle, and the refillable aspect shows LANEIGE's commitment to reducing waste. The formula itself is elegant, with a milky texture that's both luxurious and effective. User-friendliness is another highlight. It's intuitive to use and works seamlessly with other products. There's no guesswork involved, which makes it suitable for skincare beginners and enthusiasts alike. Speaking of which, if you're loving this deep dive into skincare must-haves, why not take a second to like this video, subscribe to Beautyistic, and tap that bell icon for more beauty tips and tricks? Your support keeps us glowing, just like this product. Back to the review. This product is ideal for anyone with dry or combination skin seeking an all-in-one solution. If you're a fan of Korean skincare or just looking to simplify your routine without sacrificing hydration, this is a fantastic choice. For those with very oily skin, it might be best to use this sparingly or focus on a mattifying alternative. In conclusion, the LANEIGE Cream Skin Refillable Toner and Moisturizer delivers on its promises of hydration, nourishment, and skin barrier support. Its lightweight, milky formula is a pleasure to use, and the results speak for themselves. While it's a bit of an investment, the quality and versatility justify the price. I'd highly recommend it for anyone looking to enhance their skincare routine with minimal effort, but maximum impact. Thank you for spending time with us here on Beautyistic. If you're ready to add this gem to your collection, you'll find the link in the comments box. And don't forget to let us know your thoughts or questions below. Have you tried it? We'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, stay radiant, stay confident, and keep shining with Beautyistic. See you soon!